Here is how to scrape Airbnb property availability with no code and knowledge. For this we'll need the Airbnb scraper from Netty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press property availability. As you can see, we extracted the available dates of this property. Now head to the settings. Then press on store data. In here you'll find all data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on customize. Then press on property availability. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add the criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now to export this, press add to export list. Then press export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.